Alright guys, welcome back. We're back here with me and Lee for round two. We're here at Apex Nature Park, and we're going to see who takes round two. We're going to be playing from the white tees, and good luck. Good round.
Round.
The Innova side, you're the bottom. Yeah, box first.
All right, we're at hole one, 285 feet, par three. Let's go.
Good throw.
Nice shot.
Ah, that was a terrible kick.
Just gonna throw just a throw. Oh.
Good throw. Starting off amazing.
Layup.
Oh,
A little too hard.
it's okay.
All right.
Nice. Save par.
Good job. All right, we're at hole two, par three, 270 feet. Let's go.
Come back left. Come on. That tree helped you. That branch.
Hit there.
Fairway. Didn't get it round enough. It's okay.
Layup. Ooh, we got robbed.
Stop rolling.
Hole three, 370 feet down the tunnel, curves to the left, and it's a par four. Oh,
How'd you get through that gap?
I don't know, but I'm in the woods.
We're all the same area. Stupid tree. You got a really good kick off of that. Wow. I'm jealous. Come on. It's still puttable. Ooh. That was close. It's a safe par.
Good layup.
Thanks.
Oh, God. All right, we're at hole four, 400 feet, par four. Straight down the tunnel, hard turn left, and there's a Mando right down there on that tree that we have to go around. Oh, God. What was that?
Yeah, good skip. No. Come back, please.
Good throw.
Oh, that was a good layup.
All right, we're at hole 5, par 3, 271 feet. The hardest obstacle is getting through these group of trees right here. So let's try and do that.
Get around. Ah. It's all right.
Good shot.
Skip, 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 skip.
Oh, good shot.
Oh, not bad. Too wide. I took way too wide. You're my shot. All right, hole 6, par 3, 219 feet. Straight ahead, but we just got to get around these island of trees. Come on, come on. Ah! The tree got in the way. Good kick. Nice. Oh, it's a little short.
Dang, it is.
Nice. We're at hole 7, par 3, 185 feet. Goes up and then curves hard to the right. Not bad. Mm. Birdie. Alrighty, hole 8, par 3, 288 feet. Goes down this hill and goes a little bit to the right, just a little bit. Oh, the tree killed the flight. That's alright. Damn.
Tree saved me. Too much. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. Sorry about that.
Ah.
Oh.
All right, hole 9, par 3, 225 feet. A little curve to the right, up there.
Ooh. Nice.
I think I parked it. Oh, that would have been a really good throw if it didn't hit the tree. That's all right. Alrighty, hole 10, par 3, 277 feet, straight down this tunnel, right in the middle. Get around, please. Thank you. Oh, back. What the hell? Now I gotta find a line.
Good job.
Come on, come on, come on. Ah, too high.
Hole 11, 210 feet, par 3, straight down the middle around the island of trees.
Oh, that was a good kick. Came back.
Still good.
Darn. Good second shot. Alrighty, hole 12, par 3, 262 feet, straight down the middle.
Not in the water.
Yeah. Oh! Alright, hole 13, par 3, 274 feet. We have a Mando right there on the right, on the very last tree. And the pin is up to the left. Wow. Ah, this headwind. No, 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 no. Ah, darn.
No.
Don't worry, I got bogey here. Hole 14, par 3, 267 feet, straight down the middle. Not bad, it's puttable. Zone.
Choke.
All right, hole 15, par 4, 400 feet. All the way down there, it's like a S shape. Not bad,
Good shot.
not bad. Oh yeah, get down there. Nice, nice shot. Probably right next to each other. Ah, it doesn't miss the tree. I hope so. Let's see if Lee can get a better shot than I did. Get to the crack. Yep, way better shot than me. Good layup. Come on. Oh, and it rolls away. Nice. Woo, that was scary.
All right, we're at hole 16, par 3, 237 feet. Pretty much down this tunnel, curve to the right.
Oof, come back. It's the next tee pad probably.
It's on the next tee. Nice shot.
How'd I throw that over? All right, hole 17, par 3, 260 feet. Down the tunnel, just a slight bit to the left. Get down there. Ah,
Good shot. Damn, that was good.
that tree got it though. That's all right. Get down there. Come on, get around. Get around. Ah. Thank you. Ah, that was a good kick though.
I was playing.
Alrighty, this is the last hole. Hole 18, par 3, 262 feet. Up there on top of the hill. Good round.
Okay. Good game.
Not bad.
Good shot.
Not bad. It's
Fair
down the
one.
path. Down. I knew I was gonna hit that stupid tree. No! Ho, ho. How'd I miss that easy putt? I still. Alright, guys, that was Apex Nature Park. Your boy was the winner. Lee finished with a +7. I finished with a +5. And we'll see. Actually, we're gonna play at Smith Lake, so catches on the next round. Good round.
Good round.
See ya.
And nothing.